Now, a crucial hearing is underway today in the Supreme Court on the Meghalaya government's plea seeking cancellation of Sonam Raghuvanshi's bail. Raghuvanshi, the prime accused in the sensational Raja Raghuvanshi murder case, appeared before the apex court as proceedings continued. She has filed a counter affidavit maintaining her innocence, arguing that there are only allegations against her with no concrete evidence, and claiming she has been falsely implicated in the case. The Supreme Court had earlier stayed the Meghalaya High Court's order upholding her bail, citing prima facie reservations, and issued a notice seeking her response. Today's hearing is expected to examine whether the bail was granted after proper considerations of the fact, even as the trial in the case continues in Meghalaya. All right, viewers, so that, of course, is the latest update coming in. Now, we're, of course, talking about a crucial hearing which is underway in the Supreme Court on the Meghalaya government's plea seeking a cancellation of Sonam Raghuvanshi's bail. Now, Raghuvanshi is the prime accused in the sensational Raja Raghuvanshi murder case, and she has appeared before the apex court as proceedings continue. My colleague Sambhav Sharma is joining me with the latest updates. Sambhav, what can you tell us?
Well, the hearing was there in the Supreme Court today, and the Supreme Court has questioned whether mere a typographical error can justify bail. This is what the major argument was from Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who appeared for Meghalaya government. And the Supreme Court says that, in a way, Supreme Court has asked the state to produce legible, copies of the documents given to Sonam Raghuvanshi by the police. And also the Supreme Court said that court will first examine if the bail ground is legally sustainable, and then will consider other things. The Supreme Court has said that if bail grounds fail, it will examine other grounds challenging the High Court order. Solicitor General has sought an early hearing and calls the case as a very serious offense. Remember, this is the second hearing in this particular case. Earlier also, SD appeared for the Meghalaya government in this particular case. Now the case is slated for further hearing on July 14th. Now, in the Sonam Raghuvanshi case, it is to be seen, but the Supreme Court said on July 14th.
All right, Sambhav, stay on with me. Now, more updates are coming in, viewers, from the Supreme Court that I'd like to share with you at this point, where the hearing is on Sonam Raghuvanshi's bail. Now, the bench